Hey YouTube, we're here today in a 2015 Powerlite doing some remodel, making it more handicap accessible. So, hope you enjoy the show. Come along for the ride. Alright YouTube, we've removed the door, which has left us a pretty good surface. All we have to do is remove this little bit of seal and we should be good. As you can see, all the way around. Now this has opened up the door so that my chair will just barely fit. And we're debating whether to remove this side or just to remove this half wall and allowing access to the toilet and to the shower. Because as it stands right now, there's no way to even come close to fitting. Fantastic.
Seven, 6, 5, 4.
You'll never have the sacred.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
the vent tube for the septic that is part of this partition wall that we are going to leave in place so that we don't have to mess with it. Alright YouTube, we've just completed cutting back the wall, relocating the wiring, and buttoning up the side wall. So now we have enough access both to the toilet and to the shower. So if you want to come in closer, we've removed the door, paneling, glass, relocated the switch, and we will also have relocated the thermostat, which we'll put back in. We had to extend both the wire for the thermostat and for the switch in order to relocate them low enough to make them more handicap accessible. But now you can see we can get into both the toilet and the shower. We can install a curtain if you want privacy, but otherwise that's it. And we can also now get into the bedroom, fit perfectly. If you had an electric wheelchair, you may have to take out this corner piece and give you a few more inches. Otherwise, that's it for today, YouTube. Hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of how to modify your brand new toy hauler.